Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can contact Amazon customer service in your app itself. So first thing first, launch your Amazon shopping app. Once done, get logged into your account. Now let's go ahead and access our profile by tapping on this profile button. As you do that, you will see various options, but you have to scroll all the way below. Under Need Help, select Contact Customer Service. Now at this page, you will see various options. If it's related with international shopping, go ahead and choose these. If it's related with payment, charges, or gift card, choose this. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with this one, so select View All. And let's select Payment in Local Currency. Give it any reason that you would like, and then select I Need More Help. And here you will see Request Call Now. If you would prefer chatting, select Start Chatting Now. It will lead you to a page where you can have a live chat. If not, you can also request a call and you will get a call instantly. Enter a country code, paste your number, select Call Me Now, and this is how you can contact them. If it had helped you in any ways, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for daily tutorials. And if you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.